Morning. Saturday. Got a call from someone that found me on Instagram this past week, and they're putting in a round pen for some horses. There's some trees in the way, and so they wanted to get rid of all the stumps today. They're pretty far into the mountains. There's a couple mile one-way road that goes to their house, so the trailer's not going to fit. There's not a lot of parking because there's 3 or 5 foot tall snow walls from the snow we've been getting. So no service. It's gonna be an epic, I think. Should be pretty fun. So I've got the mini skid in case I need to do some self-rescuing of anything. Granted, it's not going to pull my truck around, but I have some rigging with me, always do, so I can try and get some mechanical advantage. But yeah, we're gonna see. He's got a tractor up there, and I hope between my stuff and his stuff we can get a stump grinder in, possibly the skid to he's cutting trees right now. So yeah, it's gonna be an adventure. Won't you come with me? We'll check in throughout the day. I've got about a 2.5-3 hour drive to get there. So see what happens. Well, this has been a hell of a trip. Definitely pushing my skills of driving on very steep, icy mountain roads. We're going up towards that mountain yet. not to the summit, obviously it's above tree line, but we're going to be probably halfway up that thing. So yeah, exciting. And I guess the worst of the roads we haven't seen just yet. Luckily I've got a state highway here for a little while, 2 hours into the trip, and whew, been a little sweaty, a little nervous in a few spots, so this is better be a good job. Oh man, if I have to turn around and go home without doing anything, I'm gonna be real mad. But yeah, here we are. Came up through Jamestown, and that was a adventure with a fully loaded trailer with no tire chains. Good tires, Toyo RTs, huge fan. But they only do so much on solid ice, going up and down hills with hairpin turns. So, onward! Well, I'm here. I had hoped, I talked with the homeowner, he went and cleared a bunch of room out about a half a mile down the mountain from his house, and that's where we were hoping to get the trailer to and then drive the machine up from there. But I cannot get my trailer there. The road is pretty limited access, so I'm gonna time-lapse my way out of here. But I have like 1.5 mile drive both ways, from the house to the trailer and back and forth, to do with the stump grinders. So 1.6 miles an hour. We're gonna be driving for a while, but the job is back over there. We're gonna make room for these horses so they can have a nice new arena.
Oh, I'm just laughing. This is another level. But I guess whatever it takes, right? It'll be worth it, I think. So there's Stumpy, and there's the trailer. We're going up. It is 1.6 miles up, and then 1.6 miles back down. The truck says 31,953.7, and it's 11:53. So I guess I'll be up there around 1 o'clock. And then I gotta come back down. Maybe I'll leave it, man. I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is a good one. We'll check in. Well, we're up here over a mile from where we left the trailer. Check this out. Damn. So cool. What a hell of a place to live. Oh my goodness. But when it gets bad, you're not going anywhere for a while. Onward. You'll see that sign. Caution. Bigfoot mating area. Stay on marked trails. Do not make eye contact. I don't know about you, but I believe. Head's on a swivel. I don't need any squatch encounters up here. Ring of Stumps. I'll send you the link once it's all done. But we got about, that's more than 70 feet, isn't it?
It's about 70, maybe 75 feet.
I'm gonna say that's 100. From that tree to there, that's quite a bit. All the stumps are gone. 5 stumps, ready for the horses. Hey guys, on our way back down. We got I don't know, I got over a mile to go. It's downhill though, so it'll be fast, right? Super fun job. Really, really glad that I was able to come up here and clean up a section of this customer's property. Beautiful, beautiful place that they live. Let me tell you, this is about as Colorado as it gets. So super pumped. I will check in tonight when I get down to the trailer. Hope you guys had an awesome day. Hope you enjoyed this. So this was a pretty cool one. I'm glad I was filming it. A lot different than most of the other days. So I'm pretty sure, see that big cliff up there under the cloud? It was just down below that, at the bottom of that steep section is where I was just working. I think. Pretty cool though. Made it out, hooked up to the trailer, got the machine on, burned just about a full tank, so 13 gallons of diesel through the grinder with my commute. Not very fuel efficient, if you're wondering. Terrible fuel efficiency for long distance driving, but we all know they're not really meant for that. But yeah, man, that was pretty awesome. Pretty cool way to spend a Saturday. I mean, wish I was with my girls, but gotta work. So I'm heading to Estes Park and gonna get back into Denver on the highways. So that should be about a wrap. If I see anything else, I'll check in. I'm not gonna drive past the Hotel Stanley. That's in Estes Park. Kind of a popular hotel. It maybe was in a movie or so. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. This should be a good video. This is a pretty unique one. So I'll get it up as soon as I can. But thanks guys, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see. I'll get this up as soon as I can. Later. Sunset behind is it Meeker Peak? I guess we're not. Oh, maybe we'll get a good shot here. Look at that old church. Heck yeah! Oh man. I don't know if you can see the clouds. I can't really stop. Oh, we're gonna stop. High winds, the clouds, and the snow is coming off of Long's Peak in a serious fashion. I think that's Long's Peak. Yeah. Damn, is that sick. Nasty weather up there though. Woo! Alright, got a better spot to look. Long's Peak is 14,000 something feet. One of Colorado's 14ers. But the wind up there is extraordinarily strong right now. And that's Rocky Mountain National Park up that way. Some pretty good exploring up there. Man, those clouds are moving so fast. That's cool.